In this section, we are going to see about Python operators. So, what are operators? Okay, operators and operands are two technical terms are there. So, operators are symbols or method to manipulate data or operands. Okay, so operands are the values, the set of values that are called the operands. Then operators are special symbols that operates upon a set of values. Okay, operates upon these values or operands to give a meaningful expression which having a result. For example, we can say 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Then there is two operators are there. The equal to or the assignment operator is there. Then addition operator is there. So which forms an expression and then finally gives us a result. Okay, so that is operators and operands. Operands are the set of values. Then operators are special symbols which a user uses to manipulate data. Okay, so that is operands and operators. There is mainly four type of operators in Python: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Okay, so we are going to see each one in. We are going to see is the arithmetic operators. They are used to perform mathematical. So arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. and etc. Okay, so these operators are used to perform mathematical operations on numbers. Especially these are the various arithmetic operators. So addition, which adds to operands, which is represented by the plus sign, and then this negation sign or minus sign is used to perform the operation subtraction, which subtracts two operands. Then the asterisk operator is used for multiplication, that multiplies two operands. Then division is used to divide the two numbers. Then floor division or integer division, which is used to divide the first operand by the second. Okay, then modulus operator, which returns the remainder of the first operand. Okay, remainder when first operand is divided by the second. Okay, when the first is divided by the second, it returns only the remainder. So that is the difference between the floor division and or integer division and modulus division. Okay, so the floor division or integer division returns only the integer part of the result of the particular division. Then modulus operator returns the remainder of that particular division. Then exponentiation or power operator. Okay, exponentiation operator returns the first raised to power second. So x exponentiation y, that means it will return x yth power of x. Okay, so these are basic arithmetic example. Some example of arithmetic operator. Here we have initialized two variable, a equal to 9, b equal to 4. Then addition, add a plus b. Then subtraction, a minus b. Multiplication, b, a into b. Then division, a divided by b. That is normal division. Then div 2, which designates the integer division or floor division. Then mode variable designates or notices that it is the modulus operator. Then finally power, p is equal to a exponentiation b or a power b. Okay, so these are the basic arithmetic operation. Let's see the this print statements are there. Print, add, the variables are printed there. Add, sub, multiplication, division 1, div 2, mod, p, etc. are printed there. Then finally we can see the output of them: 13, 5, then 36, 2.25. It is a normal division. Here you can see this integer part of that particular division is returned as the integer division's output, and then finally the remainder of that particular division, remainder part is only given there. Then exponentiation is also given there. Okay, so these are the basic arithmetic operators. The second type of operator, which are assignment operators, which are used to assign values, assign a particular value to a particular variable. So assignment operators are used to assign value to the variables. assignment operators as the equal to sign, which is used to assign value and value of right side of expression to the left side of operand. Okay, so x equal to y plus z, then y plus z is an expression. The result of that particular expression is assigned to a variable x. Then add and, okay, add and that operation. Okay, so in this operation, the left side of add the right side of operand with the left side operand and then assign it to the left operand again. So here is a plus equal to b, which is equal to a equal to a plus b. Okay, so a is added with b and the value of that particular expression is added to that particular variable a. Okay, then second one, subtract and. Okay, so subtract and operation performs the same method, that subtract right operand from left operand and then assign it to the left operand. Okay, a minus equal to b or a equal to a minus b, both are the same. Then multiply and, okay, both same as the above operation. Multiply the right operand with the left operand and store it in the left operand itself. A into equal to b, that is similar to a equal to a into b. Assignment operators are divide and. Okay, divide the left operand with the right operand and assign value to the left. Then modulus and divide with takes the modulus operation using the left and right operands and assign to the left operand. That floor division is also using, performs the same operation. Then exponentiation and calculate the exponentiation value using the operands and assign values to the left operand. Okay, so these are the various assignment operators. Okay, to see the third one, which is relational operators, which are used to compare two values or compare two values assigned to a particular relational operators or comparison operators compares the values. It either returns true or false according to the condition. Okay, these are the various relational operators. Then the first one is to the greater than operation, which returns true if left operand is greater than the right one. Okay, it returns the value true if left operand is greater than the right one. Second one is less than. It returns true if left operand is less than the right one. Then next one, equal to. It returns true if both operands are equal, exactly equal. Then next one is not equal to. It returns true if both the operands are not equal. Then next one is greater than or equal to. It returns true if left operand is greater than or equal to right one. Then less than or equal to. It returns true if left operand is less than or equal to the. Let's see the example of relational operator. So we have created two variables, which is a equal to 13 and b equal to 33. Then a greater than, print a greater than b. If it is correct output is given, let's check. Then second one is print a less than b. Then third one is print a equal to b is equal to b. Then fourth one is a not equal to b. Then next one is print a greater than or equal to b. Then print a less than or equal to b. These are the predicted outputs are given above each statement as the comments. Let's. Okay, so here you can see that false, true, false, true, false, and true. So we got the desired output there. So relational operators are used to compare two values or two variables which based on the values given to them. Okay, so these are relational. Next one, we are going to see logical operators. They are used to perform the logical operators perform logical and logical or and logical not operations on the we have given. Then these are the basic logical operators and, or, and not. Okay, logical and returns true if both the operands are true. Okay, if both the operands are true, then it returns true. Then or, logical or returns true if either of the two operands are true. Then logical not operator, it returns true if operand is false. whatever we are giving, then it will return the opposite. If we are giving false there, then not operator's output would be true or false. If we are giving the operand is true, then the output of logical note is false. Some example for logical operators. So first we are given a equal to true, then b equal to false. So this can be two expressions or two set of statements. Their result should be true or false. Okay, so in programming there will be conditions that a particular statement's result will be true or false. So the logical operators are used to combine both these statements or combine the output of both of these and to generate a condition or a new output. Okay, so let's see here. In the first statement, print A and B. Then in the second statement, print A or B. In the third statement, print not A. Okay, so here you can see that first statement both are not true. So thus the output of AND operator is false. Then second one, either one of them, either A or B are true, so it will be true. Then finally A is true, thus the result not A is false. If it is given B, then it will be true. Okay, so these are logical. We have seen the basic operators in Python. There is also some special operators which are identity operators, bitwise operators, and membership operators. What we are going to see in detail is identity operators. Okay, it checks if two values are present at the same location. Okay, if the both values given to that particular identity operator is at the same location, it is and is not are the identity operators. Both are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory. Two variables that are equal does not imply that they are not identical. So if two variables having equal value, that does not mean that they are not in the same part of the memory. Some example for this identity operators. So a1 equal to 3, then b1 equal to 3, then a2 equal to identity, b2 equal to identity. Print a1 is not b1, then it is false. Okay, then print a2 is b2, then it is true. So is not and is. Okay, so these are the we are going to see is bitwise operators. They performs bit by bit operations. Okay, so we know that each and every data is stored as bits. Okay, that are the very basic unit of data. Okay, so they are performs their operation on. So bitwise operators acts on bits and perform bit by bit operation. These are the basic bitwise operators. This ampersand symbol is used to denote bitwise and logical and operator. Then this second one is designated to use the bitwise or, and then next one tilde symbol is used for bitwise not. Then the caret symbol is used for bitwise XOR. Then this double greater than symbol which is used to bitwise right shift, shifting a particular bit to the right. Then bitwise left shift, it is used to shift a particular bit to the left side. Okay, so these are the basic. So a equal to 10, then b equal to 4. Okay, so before for going into the example, you must know that a is equal to 10, then binary equivalent of 10 is taken for this performing bitwise operation. The binary operators, you already learned about binary numbers, right? So ones and zeros. So then number 10 is converted into binary, then the operation bitwise operations are performed. Then b equal to 4, it is also converted into binary form, and then the operations are performed. Okay, so print a bitwise and b, then print a bitwise or b, then print not operation. Okay, not a bitwise not a, then print bitwise XOR a and b, then print bitwise right shift a, then print bitwise left shift a. Let's see the. Here you can see 0, 40, minus 1, then again 14, 2 and 40. So these are the bitwise operators and their output. Okay, then we are moving membership operators. Okay, they are used to test the presence of a particular item in a sequence. This sequence can either be a tuple or a list or a dictionary. Then in and not in are the membership operators. They are used to test whether a value or a variable is in a sequence, in a given sequence of this membership operators. So I have created a string membership and then a dictionary as y, then assigned two keys and two values are there. So in the first statement, this print m in x. The letter m is present in that particular string. It is true. Then print member not in x. Is it not in there? Is it not in there? It is present in there. The sequence, that set of characters are present in there. So it is false. Then next one is ship. It is not in x. So here you can see that the IP, that ship character set, it is different in that particular variable x and this in this statement. Okay, so it is not in x, thus true is given there. Then print 3 in y. So 3 is there, so it is present. Then print b in y. It is false. Since b is the value, it is not the key. So it is false. Okay, so these are all about membership. So dear students, we have seen the basic or almost all the Python operators. Okay, so these operators are used to perform actions on operands or values to form a result or to form a expression with the result. So I hope you watched the videos completely here. So we will see with another class on the next tutorial.